Welcome to Best Choice. The best magnesium shavings is probably one of the most versatile and underappreciated tools in any workshop or lab. From igniting campfires to performing exciting chemistry experiments, these tiny metal curls offer a world of possibilities. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right ones? Today, we're diving deep into the world of magnesium shavings, exploring their uses, and helping you find the perfect product for your needs. Number 5. Now Solutions Magnesium Flakes. This product is sourced from the ancient Sextine seabed, ensuring unmatched purity. It's 100% pure magnesium chloride hexahydrate flakes, perfect for your personal care routine. It acts as a natural humectant, helping to hydrate and soften your skin. This will improve your complexion without leaving any oily residue behind. You can be confident that it is free from artificial chemicals, fragrances, and dyes. Plus, it's certified cruelty-free by PETA, so you can feel good about using it. Now Solutions is dedicated to providing high-quality personal care products. They are formulated with the finest functional ingredients from around the world, avoiding harsh chemical ingredients. This product is packaged in the USA by a family-owned and operated company. They have been providing quality products since 1968, ensuring a trusted experience. What we like. This product is sourced from the ancient Sextine seabed, ensuring unmatched purity. It hydrates and softens your skin, improving your complexion without any oily residue. If you are looking for a natural way to pamper your skin and avoid harsh chemicals, you should consider this. What people say. Magnesium shavings worked perfectly. The product is exactly as described. Great product for the price. Number 4. Micro Ingredients Magnesium Flakes, 6 pounds. Introducing a natural alternative to Epsom salt. This product from Micro Ingredients is designed for foot and body bath soaks. It helps replenish your body's natural magnesium levels. These magnesium chloride flakes are ultra-concentrated. They are more easily absorbed compared to Epsom salt. This allows the body to absorb the minerals effectively. Each pouch contains 6 pounds of flakes. Simply dissolve them in warm water for a soothing soak. Using it daily can promote relaxation and hydrate your skin and muscles. It's great for making sprays, oils, lotions, or scrubs. This versatile product can easily integrate into your daily routine. Enjoy the benefits of this product. This product is made with non-GMO ingredients, free from soy, dairy, gluten, and other common allergens. The ingredients undergo third-party lab tests to ensure it's safe, pure, and potent. Avoid contact with eyes and use it externally only. Discontinue use if skin irritation occurs. Remember, do not eat the flakes. What we like. This product offers high absorption of magnesium chloride flakes, replenishing your natural magnesium levels. It promotes relaxation and skin hydration, perfect for daily use. If you are looking for a soothing solution to relax your muscles and hydrate your skin, you should consider this. What people say. These flakes dissolve completely in warm water in just a few minutes, and even in cold water, they dissolve after some stirring. By using these flakes, I can make my own magnesium-enhanced skincare products, which is much more affordable than buying pre-made ones. The 6 pounds bulk bag lasts a long time, making it a great value for the price. Number 3. 6 bags Magnesium Fire Starter Kit. This kit includes 6 individual bags of magnesium shavings. They are pre-shaved and ready to use, designed for quick spark ignition. The bag size is 316 by 212 inches, perfect for outdoor use. The kit also comes with a thick wax-infused jute rope, measuring approximately 1.2 by 5.2 inches. This rope is designed to support a longer and more stable flame when starting or maintaining a campfire. The thick rope can be separated into multiple strands. This allows for controlled use, helping to extend burn support during outdoor fire starting. It's a versatile feature for various situations. The wax infusion helps the rope resist moisture. This ensures it performs reliably in common outdoor environments, such as camping and hiking. You can count on it. All components are stored in a durable metal tin. This keeps the fire starter kit organized and easy to pack. It's ideal for camping, hiking, and bushcraft activities. What we like. This product comes with pre-shaved magnesium shavings and a wax-infused jute rope for easy fire starting. It's designed for quick spark ignition in outdoor conditions. If you are an outdoor enthusiast or enjoy camping and hiking, you should consider this. What people say. Magnesium shavings worked perfectly. The product is exactly as described and works great. I used these to make a fire starter and they worked perfectly. Number 2. Awesome Industries Magnesium Ribbon 2-pack. This is a 2-pack of high-purity magnesium ribbon from Awesome Industries. It's perfect for science demonstrations and experiments. Each roll contains lab-grade material. The magnesium ribbon boasts a high purity of 99.95%. This ensures accurate and reliable results in your experiments. It's a trusted choice for lab use. You'll receive 2 rolls of this magnesium ribbon. Together, they provide approximately 70 feet of material. This gives you plenty for multiple uses. The total weight of the magnesium ribbon is about 25 grams. This is a convenient amount for various scientific applications. It's easy to handle and measure. This magnesium ribbon is a lab-grade chemical. It's designed for educational and scientific purposes. Use it with care and follow all safety guidelines. What we like. This product offers high-purity lab-grade magnesium ribbon, ideal for science demonstrations. It is made with 99.95% pure material. If you are a science enthusiast or need high-quality magnesium for experiments, you should consider this. What people say. Magnesium shavings are great for starting campfires. Works great for starting a fire. The shavings are easy to ignite. Number 1. TreadLife Fitness Concept 2-Rower Chain Oil. Keep your rower in top condition with TreadLife Fitness Chain Oil. This specially formulated oil lubricates the chain, protecting it from rust and dirt, ensuring smooth operation. This oil is designed to keep your rower running smoothly. It helps to prevent rust and corrosion, extending the life of your equipment. Whether you have a Concept 2 model or another chain drive rower, this oil is compatible. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your rowing machine. Specifically designed for Concept 2 rowers, this oil works on models A, B, C, D, and E. It's easy to apply and keeps your machine in great shape. The 4-ounce bottle provides enough oil for regular maintenance. Its clear formula ensures easy application and effective lubrication. What we like. This product lubricates and protects your rower chain from rust and dirt. It is compatible with all chain drive rowers. If you have a rowing machine and want to keep it in top condition, you should consider this. What people say. Magnesium shavings worked perfectly. The product arrived quickly and was exactly as described. I used the magnesium shavings to start a fire. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.